Hi guys, this is Carrie and you're watching A Crone's Life. I just thought I would show you some fun things that I found yesterday on a nature walk. We have sweet gum trees around our house, and I picked up a couple of these sweet gum balls, and I decided to look them up to see if they had any esoteric meanings or properties. And oh my gosh, they are so rich with, that's right, in folklore and in just about any kind of practicing spell work. They have a really cool meaning. So I thought I would show you that I have a couple of those. These are actually unbloomed, they were frostbitten camellia blossoms. So right before they were ready to open, we had a really bad frost, and it burned or dried the little flowers. And I thought that they would be really interesting for either decoration or some kind of spell work, because it's like lost potential. And of course we have cicadas around our house, so all the nymphs are shedding their skins. And I have these, well, that one, and then this is an egg sac from, whoops, again, this is an egg sac from a praying mantis pod. And I don't know if anybody's ever seen these before, but I just thought I would give you a little demonstration of what it looks like. And this side is generally attached to the smooth surface. So we had one on a window not too long ago. This was actually on the side of my planter outside. So yeah, that's an egg pod. All right, so that's my show and tell for right now, and I'll get back. Yeah, hi guys. This is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life, and I've got Elena with me. She is going to help me. So I have a box. I'm going to open it. Oops. Well, I'll put a little video sticker over that. I forgot to cover it. I've got 3 boxes in right now, and I have mixed them up. I really don't know which one is which. So I know this one's coming from out of states, and that's about all I know. So the best way to get into this guy one-handed, it looks like this will do. We'll do it from the bottom. Oh, I love this tape. It's sturdy, and yet it's really easy to tear. Old Forest Forge. The Fairy Pilgrim's Guide to Glastonbury, Book 1. Emily Sparrow and Mort Sparrow. Can you guys see this? Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, look at that beautiful bird. Oh my gosh. Yeah, get the glare off of it, Grandmother. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Contents: Introduction, The Tour, Fairy Sketches, Chalice Well, Glastonbury Abbey, Gog and Magog, Shapeshifter Sketches, Fairy Meditation, Artwork, Fae Coloring Pages, Fae Jewelry, and about the authors and artists. I'm excited! Alright, you put your foot right here, girlfriend. You can put both feet there. That'll be nice, because then I'm not having to hold you quite so much. And you're talking into my phone. You are so ready for the world. What is that? Let's move your dress. Oh my gosh, we just had an earthquake. Okay. Yeah, hold up. The tour. All right. Well, we're going to spend just a minute on this, I think, because this is amazing. Well, okay, don't shake the bar, please. Don't shake the bar. It's nice that the pages don't have too much glare. They're not glossy. Hey, Abby. Elena, please don't touch the bar. Thank you. I love ginkgo leaves. Oh, they're awesome. What do you have right here? Here, this is my stuff. Okay, Gog and Magog. More sketches. Oh. Yeah, I've never let you on my desk before, have I? Everything is crazy. Everything is crazy. Yeah, don't fall off the chair. Oh, you're perfect. Look at that deer with a human face and human hands. Oh my gosh, must be a shapeshifter. That must be what we're talking about. Just a couple more pages. Coloring pages. Nice. Be careful. This is jewelry. Just the last couple of pages. Greetings, Pilgrim. That side is glossy. Let's make sure you have a good view of it. Nice. And the back we saw when I opened the box. Nice. So we have a little birdie sticker with the moon. And we have a mushroom fairy. And we have the deck, I bet. Throw that away. Hello, dear friend. Thank you for helping to manifest this oracle deck. Love and Shadow. Old Forest Forge. Oracle of Shifting Shadow. Mort Sparrow and Emily Sparrow. And there's the back. Sides are shiny silver. Very pretty. And then my last little thing is a pin. Whoosh. These are so hot right now. People love pins. Okay, once again, I'm trying to do this one-handed. They have thumb holes. They have thumb holes on the box, so that does make it easy two-handed. And this says, pierce through the veil. That is my full intention. We have wonkified my altar cloth here. My James R. Eads altar cloth. Alrighty, set that up out of the way. These are very glossy cards. I'm positive it will be fine, but just a warning. And this is the guidebook. Ooh, full color pictures. A whole page shows the picture. And then their description. Do the work. Self-discovery, self-control, self-acceptance. So it has the keywords in an ancient landscape surrounded by mist. Then it has a description of the card. The truth of who we are exists steadfastly beyond the option or influence of others and beyond our physical circumstances. So then it gives you some really nice, beautiful language to think about with this card. One unevenly formed or misplaced stone can affect the entire tower. So it tells you how to take the card and use it for your benefit. That's it. That's very cool. That's the back. Let's see if we can get these nicely framed. So this is release. Oh, and the back has got silver. Pretty. Setting sun. Solitude. Precious. That's what you are to me. You are precious. Portal. Decay. Protection. Focus. Speak your truth. Connection. Some of these have very interesting imagery. Comfort. That feels like something's stuck. Maybe it's not. Guardian. Ego. Deep rest. Patience. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Oh. Green Man. Journey. Again, that's really cool. Dawn Chorus. Boundaries. Do the work. That's what I was reading about earlier. Make a wish. Treasure. It's teeth. Growth. Desire. Know thy enemy. Courage. Balance. Oh, you're doing it up again. Affection. Rebirth. Death. Distance. Nurture. The Starlight Bonfire. That is the last one. These have silver edges. They're very soft. I can't imagine that they would hurt your hands, but there's that possibility. I can't remember how many cards they said they had, but it seems very useful. I mean, it's not it's not a pittance. You don't want to put that back in? Thank you. All right. The Oracle of Shifting Shadow.